Hello everyone and welcome to the new video and brand new video of Stockwatch series. Since last few days I was not updating any of the Stockwatch series and any of the stocks, but now again resuming the Stockwatch series, and in this video I am coming up with one more new stock with whole detailed analysis. So if you would like to know the name of the stock, then make sure you watch this video till the end. Hi everyone, my name is Yagnesh Patel, and in this video we are going to discuss one more stock, and the name of the stock is VBL, Varun Beverages Limited. We have seen a good couple of signals on the multi-time frame analysis, as we always do the multiple time frame analysis, starting with the monthly charts, weekly charts and daily charts, how to combine them. You can watch in this video, you can learn out of this video also how to do multiple time frame analysis. What are those signals which are indicating on a higher time frame and also on a lower time frame? So how to combine those signals and how to confirm, how to conclude that this stock is having a bullish view or not a bullish view. And if we are concluding that this stock is having a bullish view, then how to decide the levels. So you can learn all the things in this video. If you watch this video till the end, you can I make sure, and I'm very confident you will learn how to do multiple time frame analysis and how to find out the signals, how to mark the levels on particular stocks. So VBL showing a very good bullish signals, and that's why we have selected this stock as a bullish stock, expecting a good uptrended move in couple of week or maybe couple of days. So you can plan your trade accordingly. I have explained in the video in detail. So let's meet on the screen. Hi everyone and welcome to the screen. This is the daily chart of Varun Beverages Limited. We call it VBL, and here it is the daily time frame. And we will start with the trend analysis first. So it will help to analyze how to any stock to analyze. So trend is the very first indication. So we can see here the slope of the moving average is up, and near the moving average a good consolidation has been occurred right now, and slightly the volume activity is spiked up. So that's why this stock is in our list, because after a good consolidation near moving average support, the previous swing support, and the volumes are spiking up, but the stock price has not changed any movement out of this range. So with this volume analysis I'm very interested, because somebody is more interested in this counter, so I can also focus on this counter. So let's start with the multi time frame analysis, and we will start with the higher time frame, the monthly time frame. And here it is, the stock is from long term trend is also up. Here in between we have seen some correction, but after that it has spiked up and pick up a good uptrend momentum. So on month, this is a monthly chart, every candle shows 1 month. Okay, and we have seen a good uptrended move. RSI is above 60, volumes are good on this this up move. So this is kind of sideways we have seen on monthly time frame since last 1 or 2 months, but overall the trend is up, so that is a positive sign. Volumes are good and RSI is above 60, so good higher momentum on a long term time frame. So now let's check the weekly time frame, which is a medium term time frame, and here it is, we have seen the VBL is showing a good uptrended momentum. By the help of this moving average, you can simply say the slope is properly upwarded, and we call it uptrended market. See, in between some correction has been occurred, but again the stock has resumed its strength, so that is a very good sign. Okay, and we have seen some kind of selling pressure here, and these are the shadows has been placed on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart at top. So this is not a good sign, and we have seen after this decline not a follow-up selling appears, but market has been sideways. So initially on a weekly time frame it was uptrended, but with shadow we have seen a good selling pressure, and then stock has been in sideways since last 1, 2, 3 and 4 weeks. So it's almost 1 month now, and it is in sideways, and very apparently we can see very nice consolidation appear here. This is the lows. Around these lows market is taking support, so we call it a demand zone. And why it is appear here? Because let me extend this trend line here, because previously this was act as an important resistance. Okay, multiple times we have seen 1 2 3 4 times we have seen a price rejection on a weekly time frame, and then market moved down, the stock price crashed. Then again after some time it has tried to cross and it has given a good breakout here, a nice breakout up here. Then it has given a good rally also upside, and we have seen a good selling pressure here. And market it right now, the stock price is sustaining above this previous resistance, now acting as important support. So we call it a change in polarity, CIP, and that is the reason stock has a very good strength on a weekly time frame basis. We call it a medium term time frame, and we have seen apparently a very nice consolidation has been placed here. Volumes are good on this consideration. Volumes are always like this, not a good, not a sharp or not a declining, not a dry also, but on consolidation always volumes like this, like a not a big one or not a small one, but very average volume we have seen in this consolidation. That's a very good sign, because with looking at the price, it is purely consolidation, or we call it a range bound also sometimes. So, and one more thing is the momentum, the price, the trend we have checked, the price we have checked, the CIP we have checked, volumes we have checked, and one more thing is RSI momentum is also above 60. So that's amazing sign. Again, the stock is right now retesting the previous breakout levels, change in polarity with a RSI above 60 on a weekly time frame. That's a medium term time frame showing a good momentum, a bullish momentum. So we can call it we can short this stop loss, we can short this stock for the good momentum, and expecting a good momentum in next couple of days. So now look at the daily time frame, what stock price is showing us. See, exactly here it is try to take support near 860 850 zone is a very good area for this stock. Okay, and let me show, this is a look average volumes, but here we have seen good volume has picked up. Stock price try to cross this range, and next day we have seen again a good follow up here. So we are waiting for closing out of this range. Once we close out of this range, a very good buy in this counter. Okay, you can also take entry here, 50% of entry, and then if retraces somewhere downside somewhere, then add another 50% of your capital to initiate the long trade here. Okay, so on a daily time frame, we have seen this is a good uptrended move. Stock price is right now taking support at moving average, the previous resistance now acting as support CIP. We have seen volumes are increasing. That's a good sign. Momentum is also showing right now sideways, but above 40. That's a sign of bulls having a strength, because bear does not showing any kind of strength right now, because the RSI is above 40, which is a good sign. Once it crosses 60, that will be a great sign, but right now it's a good sign because it's above 40 and consolidating near 40, 50 and 40 RSI. Also with the help of price, we can see, so right now the stock is in a sideways range. Once it crosses the range, we are expecting a good move in this counter, and because of this multiple of conjunction, we have seen a gaining strength in this counter. Let me show you one more aspect of the analysis with the help of Fibonacci retracement, and stock is exactly taking support at 50% retracement and consolidating above the 50%. So another good sign. Right now it's also crossed the 38%, and we're expecting a price to move around this level. Okay, so we will discuss the levels and where to enter, where we can partially enter, and all the things. But understand right now the why this stock is showing strength, because of these multiple reasons we have analyzed on a monthly, on the weekly, and on the daily time frames. So now let's discuss about the levels. Before that, this is not a buy and sell recommendation. This is just for educational purpose. Before taking any entry, consult your financial advisor. So now let's discuss. Right now stock is trading around 912. Okay, and we have a here the range. This is a range here around 920, 930. Once this crosses this range, we expect a good move. So there are two possibilities. Enter 50% quantity the which you have planned to enter, amount of investment you have planned, just enter 50%. And if it retraces near this again, 880 zone, then you can add another quantity here also. So partially enter right now and partially on the decline, and once it gave a breakout, then you can enter another quantity after a breakout also. Okay, so that could be our plan. 912 is the stock price right now. Enter 50%, on decline another 50%. Okay, and wait for the breakout. And where to put the stop loss? Stop loss you can put here at 850 is the level. Okay, let me mark the level. 850 on a closing basis is your stop loss in this counter. This is your area of stop loss. Once crosses and closing below this level, you can exit your all the quantities which you have entered, because our view gets wrong and the support has been broken out. That's the view. That is the reason we have selected 850 is a stop loss for this counter. Okay, and what kind of target we can expect in this counter? Let me draw the Fibonacci again, and 61% is comes near 980. Okay, so we call it 1000 level, a round number also, and here it has formed a top also. So 1000 is the area we can expect a price target to this area. Okay, so around 50 point is your stop loss, and expecting a 100-point move here. Okay, so this is the levels you can watch for next couple of days, expecting a good move in next few days. And this is the plan. Initially 50%, and then on decline you can add another 50%. Keep the stop loss at 850, expecting a price level around 1000 level. 1020, 1000 level is the area of target for VBL, Varun Beverages Limited. So let's meet on outer video now.
सो आप सबने ये पूरा वीडियो देख लिया होगा, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर यू हैव आइडेंटिफाइड दोज सिग्नल्स विच आई हैव इंडिकेटिंग हियर, and this is the reason we have selected VBL is a bullish stock for next couple of days. We may expect a price momentum, maybe might be possible sometimes sideways, but as we indicating, enter 50% quantity right now on the current market price, and if we see any kind of decline, some sideways momentum or maybe some decline, you can add another 50% quantity. So in any of the trade, it is very important how you managing the trade. If you can manage the trade properly, then it will help you to make this trade profitable. Otherwise what happen, we are doing all the analysis with all other indicators and signals and price analysis, the trend analysis and everything, but unfortunately we can't manage the trade. Whenever market price is going down, we are very much afraid, and because we have initially entered with a full quantity, so that's why sometime we were afraid and we exit the position, and after some time of consolidation, price is again going up, and we feel that the stock has hunted our stop loss. So it's not like that. So you need to manage your trade properly, and don't initially enter with a full amount or full quantity. Wait for some kind of retracement sometime. If the breakout is very good, then you can enter with a full amount or maybe with 50%, and after retesting the CIP level, you can add another 50%. So always you can manage your trade properly. Based on your experience, you can learn how to manage the trade in coming days also. So that is the lesson in this video, and I hope you like this video. You can share this video, you can hit the like button for this video, and if you are not the part of this YouTube channel, then you can subscribe to my channel. Wait for another video. Thank you so much guys.